Okay, so you're doing it. Your dream of having windows that don't blast in drafts or need 3 bodybuilders to open? It's finally going to be a reality. A couple questions for you. Did you do your homework? Is your home and its occupants ready for all of the people that are going to be in and out of your house with their shoes on? When you know what to expect during your home renovation, the better prepared you are to avoid mistakes like these that could jeopardize your outcome. So let's get into it. Having an unclear vision. First of all, it's perfectly normal to not have all the details ironed out, but the clearer your vision is, the smoother the process will be. For example, let's say you're not settled on exactly how many windows you need to replace. This could lead to you meeting with professionals more than you need to, which prolongs the entire process. And unclear plans can lead to inconsistent quotes, which makes it harder to compare estimates. And when the unexpected happens during the construction phase, because it will, your unclear plans will make the decision making that much harder. Most importantly, if you don't know what you want, then you'll be unhappy with the result, even if the work in the end is solid. Next up, not doing your homework. Really, this is just vetting the companies you want to work with, and don't just look at one. It's best to look at about 3 to 5 companies to compare. Read the online reviews, read the testimonials, see if the company actually does the type of work you want to do, and don't forget to verify their credentials. Your local building department can tell you what type of licenses the company has. Lastly, prepping your home. Look, this goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Home renovations are messy. Lots of people coming and going, hammering, drilling, dust flying everywhere. It's giving chaos, but getting your home prepped can help mitigate some of that. Now, some companies don't want to touch your stuff for liability reasons, so if there's anything that you really value, it's best to just move it yourself. One thing you could do would be to talk to your project manager and agree upon one point of entry to your home. This will help regulate the flow of foot traffic. Make sure to move furniture out of the construction area or cover it, lay down protective coverings on the floor, take down pictures and paintings, anything that can be scratched, damaged, broken, just get it out of there. This is your dream home. Let nothing stand in your way. Avoiding these mistakes can make the whole renovation process much smoother and less stressful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Great Day Improvements for more tips just like these. Happy renovating.